What's up guys, welcome back to another quick video. I got another client's bike. This is an Ozone Elevate, kind of like a cruiser bike thing, but it has dual suspension, so this is something kind of weird and I guess nice. It has a quill stem, something 3x7. It has a sun-run front derailleur and a sun-run rear derailleur, and just a pretty basic bike, but it has a front shock. Seems to be better than the one on my Copeland, and we're gonna be adjusting the derailleur. So let's see how that goes. Before I do that, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on if you haven't done so. Other than that, check affiliate links if you want to support the channel. You can do it different ways on the affiliate links in the description below. Let's get right into it. Well, this is something that I haven't seen before. As soon as you let go of the shifter, it pulls right back. So I don't know what's going on right here. Let's see. Yeah, that's on the lowest chain ring. That's the middle one. But as soon as I let go, it comes right back down. I don't have too much tension in there. Alright, it's engaged. So the shifter is actually pretty damn tight. There's the front and the rear, 3x7 with the little windows. Let's see if this can work out a little better. Oh, another thing that I just noticed, they routed the cables on the wrong side, so I might need to help them with that as well. So let's see. So that's in the middle chain ring. Good thing it is not rubbing. That's what we want. But the shifter is a little bit tight, but that's what we're working with. Let me go ahead and try and put it on the last chain ring. It skips it. It doesn't go into it. It's not engaging at all. So I don't know how well you can see right here, but when I press it, this thing kind of like opens up and it's not engaging on anything at all. So it's a useless 3-speed up front. No, yeah, it's not engaging at all. I really do think we have a bad front shifter. We have a high and a low. It's rubbing in the middle one, so I gotta bring it out a little bit. So as the middle chain ring, it's not rubbing. Yeah, this is a bad shifter over here. All right, let's see if it goes into the third gear. That's the one I'm having trouble with, so. Yeah, it doesn't have any more throw. It doesn't want to pull anymore. And it looks like this shifter is trash. It's not engaging at all. It still shows first gear right here, even though it's on the second gear. So we're gonna have problems with this. The front derailleur or the shifter itself is not working. Yeah, the shifter is not working. Cannot be level. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave it on the second one. This thing is coming apart. They just drop I don't even know, you don't even see threads in here. This is what holds the brake caliper together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, okay. And of course, once the chain is too twisted, it's gonna be rubbing on one side. So there's not much that we can do. So let's see. I don't know what you guys think. This is an Ozone bike. I'm pretty sure it's from Academy. So I couldn't get it dialed in. The front shifter for the 3-speed is not engaging. It's like breaking apart. Then the brake right here is coming up loose as well. And I don't think he's gonna be happy with this bike because it cannot be tuned properly. Unless we do some upgrades to this bike, I wouldn't recommend it. But other than that, if you would have done something different, let me know. But I guess he's not buying anything extra, so he just wanted to adjust the derailleur. He already tried, he couldn't do it. He brought it to me. Can't do it because the shifter is not working. And that's it. There's nothing else we can do. Other than that, that is gonna be it for this one. It's another bike shop video. I hope that you like this type of videos. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the description below. And other than that, that's it for today. Check the affiliate links in the description below so you can help the channel in different ways. That's it for today, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye. Well, unfortunately, I was not able to fix this bike or adjust it properly. Like I said, especially because of the shifter, it was not working. So I brought the client back in and explained everything that was going on with that. And he's gonna take it back to Academy and replace it or return it or do something else. I did advise him about the women's aluminum comp. They have a few of them on the local Walmart over here. So he asked me later, well, after he left, he asked me about it. So I sent him a link and he was gonna go check it out. So he probably did end up replacing it. So the bike that I was working with, it was a Ozone 500 women's Elevate 27.5 inch, 21 speed mountain bike. And the original price is $299.99, and it's currently on sale for $149.99. At that price point, I expect to have at least disc brakes, at least at the front, and a not a wheel stem at the front. So I expect to have a regular 1 1/8 stem at the front, and at least disc brakes at the front at that price range, at $150 price range. That's what I expect. So again, I hope that this video I did what I could. I was able to adjust the rear, the front, the shifter. Like I said, I couldn't get it to jump or anything like that. And then the whole thing was coming apart. And also the rear brake, it didn't have like a pin. It had like a pin kind of thing holding the lever together, and all of a sudden some things starting falling off. So it's a brand new bike already with problems. Would I recommend it? You could have, yes, upgrade the chock, upgrade the rear chock, bottom brackets, the whole 9 yards. But at the end of the day, just go with something better. I will just go with something better. So again, I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or something that I should have done different at the front derailleur, let me know down in the comments below. But other than that, that's all I have for today. I hope you like this type of videos. I'm gonna try keep on offering my services as a bike mechanic on my around my area, and as more bikes come in, I can do a few more videos like this as well, and maybe even give you like specs on the bikes that come in. Weird thing about this one, I think I did mention the brand of the derailleur. It was a weird name, something I have never heard before. It has no branding on the shifters either, so that was something new right there. I mean, that's what it is. So that's gonna wrap it up for today. Please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on. And if you want to support the channel, you can do it different ways in the descriptions below. Check those affiliate links, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's ride. Goodbye.